The erase tool. Now the erase tool's been around for ages and ages in Photoshop, since day one in fact, but if we just have a quick look at how that works, you could just spray with the erase tool and you're actually spraying at the moment to the background colour, whether that's going to be black or white, which is no use to us whatsoever. So let's just revert back to the saved file again, and let's turn this into an editable layer. Let's say we want to cut this sign out, so we'll just double click on the layer, click OK, and now the padlock has gone. We can now edit the layer. So now when we use the erase tool, we're cutting through to the background there, but it's very tricky to actually use the erase tool to neatly cut out this sky. So we'll just undo that. I'm just going to revert back to the original again, and I'll show you something even more groovy now, because inside here we've got the background eraser tool. Now this is an amazingly powerful tool. It's a bit fiddly to learn, but what you want to do is set your sampling to once, and then when you click it will sample a specific colour. You see the little crosshair in the middle there. Right, let's click on that. Okay, and you'll notice now the foreground, the background here, as it's the background erase tool, has changed to the same colour as the sky. So now if we just fiddle around with the tolerance, when you spray it's selecting and erasing that colour, and as I move over the fence post here, the triangular sign, it's not erasing it. It is a little bit in the middle there, so let's just undo that. Go right up to the edge, and we're erasing it that way. If it was eating into our fence, our sign here, with the tolerance being a little higher, then we can take the tolerance down a little bit to make it less sensitive. But basically, let's go down again. So this is very, very powerful indeed. Try cutting that out using the lasso tools and you'd be in a lot of trouble. But I'm just wiping away there, and we're selecting this whole area. Let's just click to sample more blue and then carry on. So you could actually sample some green for the trees if you wanted to get rid of those, and before you know it, you've selected the fence here, the sign, from the background. So the background erase tool is very, very amazing. And if you go and have a look in even deeper, you've got the magic eraser, which does a very similar job, except instead of having to continue sort of spraying, I can just click once in an area and it gets really huge chunks. It sort of flood erases. So it's just a gobsmackingly powerful tool. I'm just clicking in these areas here and it's almost magical. Command Z to undo that one. I need to take the tolerance down a little bit of that, but let's go back to the background eraser tool and just click and erase this area here. So off we go. As long as I don't click in any red, I won't accidentally lose the sign. Okay, so I just need to do some fine tuning there, but you can see how powerful a tool the eraser has become, and it's a very quick way of selecting something like this sign here.